Okay, mathematicians, let's get started. We're on page 36, and we're going to count on from 5. So let's look at the picture here. I know that when I hold up 5 fingers, it is 5. So I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7. I'm going to label. So I added 2 fingers to the 5 I already had, and that gave me 7 fingers. And I can look at these blocks on here and it tells me the same thing. So I have a group of 5 right here, and I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7. So again, this is 5 plus 2 equals 7. It's just showing me 2 ways, with hands or with blocks. Okay, let's look at the next page. Here we go. So I'm going to start at 5. I know that every time I see a group, it's going to be 5, so I'm counting on from 5. And let's do A together. So 5, let's label 6, 7, 8. So the total number that I have here is 8 because I counted on from 5. So we're going to do the same thing with B and C. Let's take a look at number 2. So start at 5 and count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I started with 5, and now I have a total of 8. You're going to do the same thing with the rest of these. Remember, when you see a group, it equals 5. So I'm going to label each time and count on. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. We're going to use a number track to count on to 15. So in this picture, we see a frog. Hey, Mr. Frog. And he's hopping on our number line. So what number are we starting with? Starting with 6. I'm going to write 6 in the box. And he hopped 1, 2 times. So I'm going to write 2. So now we're adding 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2, what's the number that Mr. Frog landed on? 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. He started on 6. He ended on 8. And he did 2 jumps to get there. Number 1 says, count on the number line, then write the addition sentence. So it's got the highlight on the number that we're starting with. So we're starting with 8, and we have just 1 jump. And what number did we land on? We landed on 9. So this tells me that 8 plus 1 equals 9. So start with the highlighted number and count on just 1. 2, let's do A together. We start with 6, the highlighted number, and then we have 2 jumps. So we're going to add 2 more. 6 plus 2, and I landed on 8. So this is super simple, guys. And we can use our fingers, but we're using the number line right now to help us. Next page. We're using the count on strategy. This is what we're talking about all week. What is the easiest way to figure out the total number of dots on this card? Oh, well, I know this is a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm counting on how many more? Just 1. So my equation is 5 plus 1. So I can start with 5. I'm not going to go all the way back to 1. I'm going to start with 5. 5, 6. So I know that 5 plus 1 equals 6. So let's look at number 1. It says count on 1 or 2, then write the addition sentence. Let's do A together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots on the left, and I'm adding 1 more. So what number comes after 6? 6 plus 1 equals 7. So we're counting on. So with B, you're adding 2 more. C, just 1 more. Make sure you label. It will help you. On number 2, write the addition sentence to match each card. Let's do A together. 5. Oh, now we don't have dots. We have numbers. We have the digit 5. And we're adding how many more? 2. So 5 in your brain. 5, 6, 7. So I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. This is talking about the turnaround fact. Mr. Porcupine tells us this important information. These are called turnaround facts. And you're going to hear Miss Eden say that all the time. So let's talk about this picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 clips on the left. And I'm adding 2 more clips on the right. So this equation is 7 plus 2. Now let's look on the right. We have 2 clips over here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips over here. There we go, that's 7. So now this equation is 2 plus 7. But look at this, boys and girls. No matter if it's 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7, they have the same number of clips. I know that 7 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 7. They both equal 9. So I can count on 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. Or 2 plus 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's take a look at number 1. We're going to do A together. Complete the addition fact and its turnaround fact. So let's look at A. On the left, we have how many clips? 4. And on the right, we have 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now the turnaround fact, let's go backwards. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So if you look at this, we have 4 first, then 2, but then I just take these 2 numbers and I turn them around. So it's not 4 plus 2 anymore, it's 2 plus 4. But they still both equal 6. So you're going to write the turnaround fact for each one of these equations. Number 2, we're going to do the same thing. We have 7 and 2 more dots, so 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now let's turn those facts around. If 7 was first last time, what's first this time? 2. 2 plus 7 still equals 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just turning the facts around. I'm switching their places. So whatever number is first is now second. Let's look at the next page. Using a number line to count on to 20. So look at this picture. What number are we starting with? 17. That's the highlighted number. Now we're adding on 1, 2 more, so 17 plus 2 equals, where did the kangaroo stop? 19. So my equation is 17 plus 2 equals 19. Now let's turn these around. If 17 was first last time, that means that 2 will be first this time. And then it will be 17. So 2 plus 17 equals 19. So we have the original fact and the turnaround fact. Let's look at number 1. It says count on 1 or 2, then write the addition sentence. So letter A, we're starting with 12. We're doing 2 jumps. So 12 plus 2 equals, what number did I land on? 14. So this part, you're just writing the equation. You're just writing what you see. In number 2, A, it says count on 2. Oh, it tells us, I'm going to underline that. 2, this one says 1, 2, 1. I'm going to underline that, important information. Start with 11, I'm going to do 2 jumps. 1, 2. So when I did my 2 jumps, I landed on a number. So I started with 11, did 2 jumps, and I ended on 13. So 11 plus 2 equals 13. So make sure you're adding on what it tells you. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions, use your number line, use your fingers, but you can do it.